Learn about the various SSL encryption levels and which one is right for your website. What is SSL? SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer. SSL is security protocol that creates an encrypted connection between user and website so that user all details like email, credit card, password, etc. will be secured. There are three types of SSL validations: domain validation DV basic level, organization validation OV standard level, extended validation EV highest level. SSL Certificate Essentials, a breakdown of single domain, multi-domain, and wildcard certificates. Single domain SSL secures only one domain. Multi-domain SSL secure multiple domain and subdomains. Wildcard SSL secures a domain and all its first-level subdomains. SSL is essential for keeping your data safe online. Stay secure and happy browsing. For more details, visit our website, itbrands.pk, or contact us via email and WhatsApp.